channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chili cheese paratha. So first of all, we need to make the paratha dough. So here is what you need. You need 2 bowls of atta flour. Okay, 2 bowls of atta flour which I have put in the big bowl here. And you need 3 tablespoons of oil. You need 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'll start mixing. Okay, now you add in water little by little to make a smooth, not very thick and not very soft dough, a medium dough. This is how the dough looks like after it's done. See, you have to knead it nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. And we will keep it aside and I'll teach you how to do the filling. Now for the stuffing, for the chili cheese, you need 150 grams of cheese. You need red chilies, green chilies, coriander, green onions, all cut into small pieces. So now we're going to start. First, we will, in a bowl, we will put in the cheese. Cheese, what you need to add is add the green chilies, cut green chilies, finely cut, red chilies, and the coriander. Add in the spring onions, little bit of pepper powder, black pepper powder, grounded black pepper, little bit of chili flakes, and salt, about 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. If you want to add in the spring onion, it's okay. If not, it's optional. So this is how it should look, yeah? Mix it well. Now the dough, what we will do, we will make it into 8 portions. 8 balls like this. Here are the 8 balls. Okay, now what you have to do is with your hand, make it round and flatten it a bit like this. Okay. How it looks after it's been flattened. Now we are going to roll the dough and make into small rotis. Okay, I'll show you. You have to take a little bit of dry atta flour, and now this is how you are going to roll it out. after it's been rolled, the rotis, you see how thinly it's been rolled? See? Okay, so now we will carry on doing the stuffing. So this is how it's stuffed. You must take one roti first. Take one roti first and then put in some stuffing. Okay, like that. Cheese is heavy, so you don't need to put in too much also, and it will spread later on. Yeah, okay, a little bit more. Now the next thing you do is take another roti. Before that, what you do is just take a little bit water and just go along and see how I'm doing this, so that it will stick well with the other roti. Okay, now the other roti, put on top of it and just press a little bit. Okay, now you see how it is. Okay, I'll show you one more how to do it. Just press a little bit. We'll take one of the roti first. Put in some of the stuffing. Just spread it a little bit here and there. Just rub with a little bit of water on all the edges here around the chapati, like this, and take another piece of the roti and cover it. Okay, you can see how it is. So now after this, I'm going to show you how to cook it. On the gas, put a chapati plate, hot plate. Let it heat it up a little bit. Okay, now the next thing is take the paratha which I have stuffed just now, this paratha. Okay, we'll put it on the pan, let it cook for a while. Okay, now we will flip it to the other side. Okay, should be like this. Okay, then take a little bit of oil, spread it. Yeah. Spread this way and wait for a while. Okay, now we'll flip it again. This way, and again we will take a little bit of oil, spread it all around. See this? And we need to turn it for 2 to 3 times. See the color? It will puff off. Turn around again. Cook it at the side. Press it at the side where it's not cooked yet. Okay. See the paratha, how it looks like. How the paratha looks like. Now we will put it aside. I'll show you one more paratha, how to make it. The same way, let it heat up for a while. Then in a short while we will flip it, put some oil. Okay, we turn it this way, pour in some oil, yeah, spread it out evenly. Make sure it's evenly spread, yeah. Now turn it around again, flip it again, okay, press it a little bit this way. Now again flip it, do it until it's well cooked, okay. The cheese will melt inside evenly. Okay, now the paratha is done. Okay, this is how the chili cheese paratha looks like. I've cut the other piece into two, and this is how the stuffing is inside. Okay, and I'm serving it with some green chili chutney. Hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. Wait for the next video.